back to the channel, and if you're like me and millions of other people and you've suffered or are suffering from hemorrhoids or piles or speed bumps, then this is the video for you. I guarantee we've got a cure for it, and even better than that, it's natural. Welcome back onto the farm. It's not a farming video, as promised. This is a guaranteed cure for your piles. So at the moment, Toon's just clearing the weeds a little bit. The back of the house has been left to go to a bit of a jungle at the moment. Been too busy doing other farm stuff. The head of the rake's just fallen off, so that's probably enough weeding done. And down here is our natural cure for your hemorrhoids. Now, for most people, talking about hemorrhoids and piles, it's a bit it ends up quite humorous. People make a joke of it, they're a bit embarrassed about it, but if you've never suffered from them, oh my god, they're incredibly painful. And we'll give you a few facts and we'll give you a few factoids at the end of the video, and what sort of things causes them, and food and drink to avoid, and what could actually help you, as well as this miracle cure that we've discovered. But having things that should be on the inside actually on the outside of your backside is no laughing matter. It's incredibly painful, and you can't sit down properly, you can't lift stuff up properly, and if you work in the farm, it's just not an option. You've got to sort it out. So Toon's family have known about this for many years. Sure, Toon won't mind me mentioning Toon's dad suffered from this quite a lot, and since he started to take it, he's cleared right up, and other members of the family as well. So women that have given birth quite often suffer from piles. This is the stuff that you want. Right then, so what's the Thai word for it, Toon?
Thai word for what?
The Thai word for the plant.
Wan Pakking.
Wan
Pakking.
Wan Pakking.
Pakking comes from Taiwan. No.
Ah, so it's not actually a native Thai plant. Ah. It likes to stay wet as well.
I'm looking for my gold.
Toon's lost a link to a gold chain. We've got a pipe, like the drain pipe coming out the bathroom to keep this wet here, and while she's having a shower, her gold chain fell off, and we lost the little gold link. So it's in here somewhere. I've probably eaten it, haven't I? It's so small. Never mind. That's it. So you've got to pick 9 leaves and take them for 9 days. There's no need to boil them, you just wash them, and the horrible bit is putting a grain of rock salt with them, and you just munch them.
You have to eat or not allowed to cut it?
Yeah, eat the whole lot, and it's not too foul, it just tastes like grass to me. But it's the salt. I like salty food, but oh my god, it turns you into like a window licker. You start foaming at the mouth and dribbling all over the place, but it definitely works. Grows all year if you can keep it moist. It gets a little bit of shade at the back of the house as well, so as long as it's not in sort of full sun, then it grows pretty well.
And this medicine, if anyone got cancer or scared to, you just boil them and drink the water like a tea. But when you boil them, you have to pull them out 3 sticks with the root, with all the plant, 3 plants, and boil them and drink water.
You don't add anything to it,
No,
just the whole plant?
Just whole plant, boil and drink, and keep boil and drink. Nice for you.
Thank you, Mrs. I might wash that. Wash the gold off it.
If you can find that, be brilliant. Nice for me.
Your bum's alright though.
So,
Now, I did suffer quite badly a few years ago. Toon put me onto this, and I'd been on the Hemorrhoids, all sorts of arsehole cream that helped, but none of them fixed it. Started taking this, and after a couple of days they disparooed. It definitely works. I guarantee it, guys. You just got to make sure you get the right plant and you take plenty of it. And there's just one final thing that you need to do, which is say a little prayer, as the song goes. So Toon's going to say it in Thai when we're ready to have this, and we'll translate it and we'll put it on some captions on the video as well. Right, back to the house and wash it. Now when you wash it, you'll feel a sort of like a slimy texture coming out of the ends. Just wash that off, and then it's good to go. You just got to put it with a bit of rock salt. Easy peasy. So Toon's got her rock salt in there, and then she's just going to do her prayer, and then going to nosh on it.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo buddhaya. It's dry, isn't it?
Yeah. Hello, mate.
Oh, wow. I think not too bad.
I feel like Daisy the cow. Super crispy. You can taste all the vitamins. Oh. Rock salt. Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, but salt is like an iodine, isn't it? To stop stop your meat grow.
Anyone that's got high blood pressure might not want to take the rock salt. I'm not a doctor, but I don't think that'll help you.
It is a medicine, love. I'm finished now, see? I'm clear.
Whoever thought I'd show myself swallowing on camera.
How many miles you are now? How many
8 days now.
later?
Missed yesterday, haven't I? And that's it. Easy.
Yeah, but it's worked well.
Now I know we're always pissing about on this channel, but I guarantee you, in all seriousness, this stuff does work. It's the second time that I've had it, well, sort of the second course that I've taken. The other time was a few years ago, and both times it sorted it out. As I say, I was taking all the other stuff, the mainstream stuff that you get from the pharmacies. They all help, don't get me wrong, but no one likes shoving cream up their arsehole, do they? Just bloody eat this stuff. And it sorts it out, and it sorts it out better than all the other stuff that I've tried. Toon's dad used to really suffer far worse than I did. I mean, Toon said it was the size of bloody orange on the outside of him, and he couldn't walk, couldn't sit down, couldn't lift anything up. He was in a right old state, and this was the only thing that sorted it out for real. So get on it. If you can get hold of it, that's brilliant. If you want any more details, then send us a message. So one more time, what's it called, Toon?
The One Pakking.
One Pakking.
That's right.
All right, so we'll put it in Thai and we'll put it in English on a caption, and then if you've got a Thai girlfriend or wife, then she can source some for you as well. If you can just get one little plant, get a sort of like half shade area in your back garden, or even put it in a pot and keep the soil wet, then you've got that medicine at all times, just in case you need it. If your grapes aren't on the outside of your bum, I'm very, very happy for you. You can also, don't forget, use this as a deterrent for cancer. You take out 3, not 9 little plants, keep the roots, and then you boil it up, make a tea with it, and then just drink that. Right, I'll give you a few factoids about arse grapes, just as a bit of a background, and then hopefully we've helped you a little bit, with a bit of a giggle on the way, of course, as always. Thanks for watching, guys, and take care. Ta-da.
Oh, what the fuck you wear my Tweety pan for?
Tweety doesn't hurt my piles, does she?
Oh, you dirty boy.
Ta-da for now.